How to win stars in Candy Crush Saga? Want to earn more stars per level? Let's break down exactly how to do it and why they matters. Each level gives you up to 3 stars based on your final score. 1 star, you pass the level. It's a minimum score. 2 star above average score. 3 star, cross it with high points. The more star, the better your progress ranking. You may even unlock extra reward in some events. Make high score moves, combo chain, match candies quickly back to back. Special candies use stripe, rat, and color combos. Combining those booster like stripe plus wrap candies or color bomb plus fizz, it means massive points. Every move you have left, turn it to fizz or wrap candies at the end, called the sugar cross. This boosts your final score and help you hit those extra stars. Replay old levels. Didn't get 3 star before? No problem. Tap on any completed levels. Play again and try to beat your old score. Perfect for practicing strategy and ranking up stars. And that's it. Now you know how to win stars in Candy Crush Saga like a pro. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more sweet tips. See you in the next one.